All right. As these peppers, we need to cut them in a specific way. The whole idea is this dish is going to cook for a long time, and you don't want the meat and or other ingredients, rice and whatever, touch the base because it will burn. So therefore, these are going to be like cut in rounds like this, so that it holds everything on top. So those are going to be the base, and the tomatoes also. Those are going to be the base, and you're going to put the ingredients on top of it. They're going to cook, and the water is going to be underneath that.
It's a heat barrier.
That's
it
right.
becomes the heat barrier, and it doesn't burn the food.
That's right. That's the whole idea. So that's why we need to kind of almost half an inch.
So you're going to cut it in thick slices, right?
Yes.
Yeah, half inch. Okay, you're doing
Like
a good
this.
job, Jira. In the video, I was going to help, but
Well, you can with the tomatoes also. We're going to do the same, because the bottom of this whole thing is going to be tomato and the pepper.
okay.
Bell peppers.
Okay, I will continue the tomatoes, cutting it in circles.
Yeah.
I will put my glass on. Is this enough, Jerome?
Yes. That should be good. Those ready?
Peppers are ready. I'll take this, and then I'll take care of the tomato part.
Okay.
Okay, you can take. I'm going to do the onions.
Let's not forget, even the artichokes are going to be used at the bottom to hold the other ingredients, the meat or the chicken or the fish,
Seafood.
any seafood that we're
Okay, can I squeeze here?
Please go ahead.
Okay.
In the meantime,
My hands are clean, but I have to wash it again. For you guys. And I'm keeping the roots of the onion so that, you know, we don't cry. Less tears. Should I cut it like this? Like 1 inch? Like this?
yes.
Are we
Thank you.
dicing the onions?
Yes, please. Perfect.
Are we going to squeeze the lemon?
No, the lemon will be added just to add a little citrus flavor to the.
Should I cut that
Right,
too,
yeah.
or how?
We will cut this in 4 pieces and put it inside as it is. Okay. We can have a couple, but for now we're going to use one. We'll wash it. Can I cut this?
Okay, so you want me to cut it in 4?
4 pieces, yes, please.
Okay, what's next?
I think we're almost ready to start cooking.
To assemble?
Cut this right. Yeah. said, we're gonna fry every ingredient separately. And in this case, I'm gonna use 2 separate pans, one for the chicken and one for the seafood. Although they're gonna be mixed at the end, but it's preferable not to mix them right now. As we said, we're cooking, not cooking it completely, but grilling it a little bit, or frying it a little bit so that it holds the yeah.
Some of them are I don't know, it's this part.
I know it's a hard work.
It is, you know, and it's sharp. I don't want, you know, my guests.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
Also cooking the squids, similar to every ingredient, separate ingredient. We're not gonna cook them again, we're glazing them so that they stay separate and don't.
So it will hold itself.
Yes, they hold themselves. Yeah, that's it. That's all. And so this is almost done. We're gonna go ahead and bring the big plate, the paella plate that we're gonna put in everything, and we're gonna start gathering everything into the paella so that the plate itself, so that we can build the whole paella and let it cook afterwards.
And we are going to end part 2 here, and for part 3, please join us next Sunday. Thank you very much for joining us today. Have a wonderful day, wonderful week, and wonderful life. Bye-bye.